Hello and greeting, poultry people. I have no idea what to say, so that's what I'm going with. Selling my GMC C20 custom crab. The original idea for Chicken Fred's truck. Big old throttle right here. Butt munch of an engine. Poops out exhaust like a motherfucker. Anyways, the original idea for this truck was to have it in Chicken Fred videos, but I found this one. It's got 4x4 5-speed, but again, the idea was to use this truck in Chicken Fred videos. Sadly, plans have changed, as I have this one. This one you will definitely be seeing in Chicken Fred videos, because I keep this thing for a long ass fucking time. Nissan D21, man. This guy, he is being donated to a very nice gentleman that is willing to sell me his 1972 Volkswagen Bug, because I'm an idiot that wants to waste money. I'm trading it for a Bug with no engine.
Five hours later.
Oh, it is pissing down rain, man. Alright, I didn't really ask them if they could let me video, but I'm just so excited.
Look, you can see the missile hit the house there. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at me go. I want to go away. Bye-bye. Toodaloo. Bye-bye, Big Papa. Oh, you were a good truck. You were fun. Have a good time.